Allchinabuy haul shipping guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the shipping process for your Allchinabuy haul orders. After placing an order on Allchinabuy, the first step is to select your preferred shipping method. You can also see this verified fill logistics info where you can fill in you can fill out this form that requires you to give your logistics information. Now, options usually include standard shipping, expedited, and sometimes free shipping. Cost and delivery times vary by method and destination. Now, once your order ships, you'll receive a tracking number. You can use this number on the courier's website or Allchinabuy's order tracking page to monitor the package status. Tracking updates include dispatch, transit, custom clearance, and delivery. Be aware of customs duties and import taxes in your country. These charges are usually the buyer's responsibility and can delay delivery if not promptly paid. Check your local customs regulations before ordering. For international shipments, packages often pass through customs inspections, which may add several days to delivery times. Some couriers offer customs brokerage services that can expedite this process. If your package is delayed or lost, contact Allchinabuy's customer service immediately. Provide your order number and tracking details to facilitate assistance or initiate a claim. To avoid issues, double-check your shipping address before confirming the order. Using a complete and accurate address helps prevent delivery failures. And that's how you manage shipping for your Allchinabuy haul.